Good morning, everyone. Alex here with a brand new unboxing video of what you may ask. Well, this came in the mail from Amazon yesterday. I ordered a mini selfie stick because I'm seriously thinking of changing the way I film my walking videos, especially because lately, I've been filming with the iPhone, right? Much more stable than the Panasonic camera, but I'm trying to, I just wanted to try something a little different. So, if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys may remember the old DJI gimbal I used for my my older videos, although I've stopped using that because of safety concerns, and then I did actually use it again for an event 3 weeks ago. But if I want to make my footage more stable, why not just get something small instead? So, I got this new smartphone holder from Fantaseal, and as I just mentioned, it arrived in the mail yesterday. I didn't have time to do an unboxing video because we went out for dinner yesterday afternoon at Cactus Club Cafe downtown. So, yeah, we're gonna do it out here in some spring-like weather. It's a beautiful morning outside. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look at this thing and see how I put it together. You know what, maybe I'm gonna... Probably need to move the camera for a second. Hopefully you guys can see it clearly. Let me just make sure this camera's in focus. Alright. Alright, so we got... Oh yeah, this is the case here. This is the case right here. And I guess I'll find out what this is for. I think it's to clean it. Oh yeah, these are wipes. These are wipes. And then here are the accessories. Yeah, there we go. Got the strap right here. And then the actual mount. And the other part that goes with it. So, yeah, there we go, guys. But the thing is, though, there isn't a manual. I think it's because it's a very small company. So, if you guys were wondering how much this went for, it was $19. So, that's a little cheap. I was expecting this thing to go for $30 or $45. But even bigger gimbals, like made by DJI, that's hundreds of dollars, right? I also thought of getting a GoPro as well. Hold on, this is out of focus again. Yeah, I also thought of getting a GoPro, but they're very expensive, and also they tend to crap out occasionally, so no chance in hell I'll be using that. So got it from Fantaseal instead. So let me see how I can put this together, even though there's no manual. Alright. So here is the actual mount itself, as this is blowing away here. Oh my god, this looks like something that came out of a pistol or something. Look at this, it looks like a weapon. Alright, so let me see. I think this has got to go. I'm trying to figure it out here. I think it's... Oh yeah, I think it's gotta go here, right? Because there's a little connecting thing here. So let's see. I think it's like this. I just gotta turn the thing. Yep, it's working. It's working. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. Okay. All right. I just made myself I just made a freaking selfie stick, and this is a little bit shorter than the old gimbal the DJI gimbal I have. And then there's a way for me to well, actually no. Let me just take up my phone out of the case here. This is the iPhone 13 I use. So lately, because it's been so cold, but it won't be this week, I've just been using the phone because the camera doesn't work well. And again, just gonna try something different. So this thing here just kind of controls how like how wide it should go. So, again, I gotta like fiddle around with this thing, and no, I'm not gonna be using it full time. This is gonna be like a little side thing, like, you know, as an alternative to like making my videos. So let me see here. Let me see how I can do this. So yeah. Okay, so I gotta make this. I gotta try and make this thing wider. So let me see if let me try and figure out how to do that, and then if and maybe I'll just come back here. Okay, so this thing, I'm unscrewing it. This thing comes out. Oh yeah, that's to widen it. All right, it's not that hard. Okay, let's see here. Like that. Hold on, just gotta. Let's get in there. There we go, guys. There we go. Oops. Oh no. It's on the it's hitting the button. Okay, I think this should be good here. Let's see. Alright, so there we go, guys. Let me just go around here, then I can show you real quick. Yeah, so there we go. In about 3 minutes, I just made myself a selfie stick, and I gotta say, the grip is a lot more comfortable than the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal that I have in my closet. So let's say, like, I want to make a quick video right now, test it. Let me just open the camera app here. I gotta enter that. So watch how I do this here. So it's like I'm a, once again, it's like I'm an actual freaking content creator, right? I'm like Johnny, like I'm just gonna like walk around here. It feels a lot lighter too than the DJI, and I think that's a big positive, because it's not that big, right? Now, let me just tell you guys a little bit of a story here about the gimbal, right? So, I've had this channel for 4 years now, but I didn't actually start getting to making videos until like end of 2020. And then for Christmas, I don't know if you guys can see me here. If not, that's all right. Let me just go back. In Christmas, I got the DJI gimbal. It was huge, and it was working fine. I did it for like 30 videos. And then in the summer, because I was really concerned of like safety, even though you're in public, I feel like that it's just so weird, you know, you're out, and then who knows what kind of reaction you'll get. And the same thing too, if you're inside like the subway or a shopping mall or wherever, it's just I just didn't really feel comfortable. So I just went old school and filmed it with the camera, which I'm still gonna use, of course. But maybe every other walking video, I'm gonna try with the mini selfie stick I have, and I think this is already working pretty good, guys. Like look at how I'm holding it. I mean, it's not really exactly, but it's a lot smaller, and I don't think this could bother anybody. So if I've been filming walking vids with the phone lately, then might as well just do it on a gimbal. Like make it a lot more stable. So so I'm gonna try it out for a few videos and see how it works. And if it's actually like lives up to perfection, and then maybe later on, like let's say in 2 weeks or a month, I'll make a poll and ask if you guys want me to do this permanently for my walking vids, or if you guys prefer the camera. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna vote a lot for the new selfie stick I have. So yeah, so Fantaseal, thank you very much. This is a pretty good product, and yeah, yeah, and again, we got the wipes here so I can clean the thing. And then you got the case. And yeah, so just a quick unboxing video. So I'm gonna go out and enjoy this beautiful day and maybe test this out. Maybe we'll go to Mississauga and try it there. So yeah, guys, brand new selfie stick. I think it's gonna work out. I think it's gonna work out pretty well. I hope. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this product. Getting it for Amazon for right now, $20. I'm gonna try and use this thing as a go forward with how I produce my content. But although I'm probably still gonna like use it handheld and of course with the camera. But guys, enjoy your week, enjoy this beautiful day, and enjoy the spring-like temperatures we're going to be getting this week once again. Well, actually, we are going to be getting rain for the first time in, I don't even know how many weeks, but I'm going to enjoy today while it lasts, but unfortunately, I have an exam tomorrow. Womp womp. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out.